right, let's do this.
Wow. Okay.
How high up? Got it.
Yeah, Albert.
Oh, yeah. Look at this guy. Did I go to engineering school or what?
Did something break already?
Yeah.
Albert.
This guy's an engineer. This guy went to school for 5 years.
Stop, play it all.
Johnny Rogers.
Oh, what a grab, Ari.
Got it. On film.
Hey, look up.
Nice, Andy. Stay around. That's good. Up. Stay with him, Andy.
Get it back, Burns.
I really thought she was going to win it.
Yeah, Maddie.
Traffic.
Trying to get less. Put their hands up. More like concentrated power. Let's go, Burns! Let's go, Burns!
Go take out. Unless she looks to you, and you can get your perspective if she asks you.
Laying out.
Adam. Good ball. Volley. Out.
Jump and fly.
Fly, yeah. You are a bird, right? You are a bird. You know, maybe a little bit of arm flapping.
I'll try.
Grab it. It was so loud. And then I saw the Neo got Burns here. I was like, yeah, Jack did, yeah.
I'm a cheat.
You're all right.
But he didn't like see, so I don't think he knew.
Yes, big mark, Neo. Big mark. Closer, mark, Neo. Closer. Hey, stay close, Neo. Big.
Ready? I don't want to do this guy. That
Yeah, Neo, big mark. Closer, Neo. Use that length.
No, you have it.
And I was like,
It's so far. It's like it's.
Anna, you're hot here.
hands go. Back under call.
Neo, a little closer. Seal that. Yes, Anna.
Continue.
No one's expecting it. So
Nice,
it's like,
got it.
it's like, oh, yeah,
Yes!
Stop. You got him, Alex. You're 8 feet tall. Yeah, Nicole. Nicole.
Who's next? Who's gonna be?
Yeah. I did not realize
Hey,
that's
Luke,
why
Luke,
it was
Luke.
like that.
Does not affect. Good? Okay, back on the floor. Get sideline, get sideline.
Oh, yes.
Sticky!
Nice, Miguel.
Stay with him, in.
Hey, big head, Luke. Anna, you're hot here. Treat it like you're reset. Hey, we're reset. Treat it like you're reset. Bring it hard.
Go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight.
Let's you, Nicole, let's you.
Good.
Chill.
Yeah, Neo, you're hot here. Like we expect to score on first. Why not?
I'm not gonna be mad at you.
Pretty good. Hold on.
Back on. You have to feel like
Let me like care enough for you to run through this person. I
you
can't.
have to feel like offended that they
But I need to have.
When she was like, that's
If he comes over here,
That's why it's like usually
hey, look, no strike here. Look, no strike here. No strike. Take it totally around.
Next throw to think like a last throw. It's an opposite mindset. Whereas I feel like defense is like, think about it. Think about what happened. Like if they're doing this right.
Yes, it's calm.
everyone just.
Brennan.
He's our spirit captain.
He's doing a great job.
At some point,
Hey,
if you
maintain
can't
that
figure it out,
buffer.
like,
One step to the left. Maintain that buffer.
That's two! Seatbelt! Double strap! Double strap.
Yes, great
Your last skill, Alex.
Anna, you're too deep.
Be ready, that's you, Alex. You're good. Stay in. You got him, Alex.
Hey, you're up, Raven. Great swings.
Stay with him. You're good. That's ball.
Look at how many people are right next to each other, guys, yeah?
Plus, you can see the
This is supposed to be a hug, Saturday.
Alex, let's see Alex. Yeah, you got him. Stay around. Get around him. Stay with him.
Sideline.
Get around. Feel that. Yeah, Alex. Stay around. Alex, strike right here. Alex, stay with him, Alex. You got it. Get with him.
Yes,
You go. Stay with him. Stay with him.
Yep.
Stay with him, Alex. Tight. Alex, tight. Good. Nice go, Alex. Come on, y'all.
Hey, Neo, so
How? Yeah. You got it, How.
funny. It's essentially
We're like so close.
which is, I get it. Don't do it. Maybe
Brandon behind you! Brandon behind you!
globally,
Whoa!
Don't share.
And beer. Is that beer?
oh, there's no alcohol on this field. Which one's Neil's water? Hey, Tonic, which one's Neil's water?
Here, I'll take these.
So efficient.
Can't stop.
I don't play basketball.
We need hand skills on our team.
I'm not used to doing things that are heavy.
So it was off. I changed it to 5 points on
One delay.
cookies in their bag. Oh.
Yo, you need to walk.
One says, why are you using the cookies? It's kind of sick.
Mess it up too much.
I played with him apparently.
I don't remember. Let's go, Birds! No up on Luke, no up on Luke.
Good shit, Luke.
I respect that. I respect it. Not following Opus. Yeah.
Yeah, Anna. Hey, you still got him, you still got him, you still got him.
Nice, Anna. That's right. Oh my God.
Oh!
Oh yeah, dude.
Stay tight, Freddie! Up!
I don't love when Jesus shut up. I didn't even see that. This one? Who's up?
Every time they pick off. He pick called and then he was like right there and I'm like, I'm gonna Yeah, but also that's why I didn't run down hard on purpose. Yeah, because they were all still giving me time. Again, giving their hand.
That's what I thought.
Go. I was waiting to see if there was I know I should keep going for the call. I don't think they're you know, I get so many, it's hard to remember. That was like a long point. That was like 4 changes of possession. So you did that point. Jesus turns. I'm snapping.
Hey, reset it! Up!
Oh, let's go. Show it to him!
Yeah,
Show it to him!
Show it to Justin.
Yeah, only Justin. Show it to him.
Pop!
In line.
Same line.
I talked to Alex.
Come in, coach.
Put me in, coach.
We need one more.
Yeah, let's go, Patrick!
That's good. Thank you for bailing me out.
I was like, I don't know what to do.
No, that was stall 9.
Oh, amen.
Yeah.
Give it 11 seconds.
So I don't know what you do for that. I guess you just say there was no D. You just say drop.
I
guess like.
Well, I just looked up and I was like, saw two soccer dudes.
Give the block to pocket.
It's fine. Let's go.
I don't remember the
Hey, let's go, team.
Yeah, Patrick. No round.
In 2 weeks, when I'm back from Nashville, bring the Corona to practice.
Great pull, Ari.
It'll do, it'll do. Go, stop me, go. And she literally, afterwards, she was like, why did I say that? She was like, oh my god.
Let's go, Birds.
I don't even know what.
Nice, Alex. Inside up.
Yeah, nice find, dude. Hey, get that back, Luke. Shake it off.
It's all good. It's all good.
And this guy just went deep. He's like, look up, look up. Yeah. But it like.
Versus.
Oh, my God!
Yeah! Athletic as shit.
Hey, get it back, D. Get it back, D. It was a D for the song. That was super close. But like I don't know how you turn on this.
And even still, I mean, we're not changing directions at all.
And all I have to do is and turn, you know? So like, yes, you just got to this. Lining up again.
Oh my gosh, you're not like making this. Not friendly.
Not friendly.
Not friendly, not friendly.
Yes,
That's service animal.
That's good. I mean, that's a good one.
I'd say that's crazy.
Hey, Anna, I'm in your ear.
Not friendly,
Your last
not
back,
friendly.
Anna, last back.
He's like,
Yes, Anna. Oh! Come on. Go. Johnny, girls, go. Last back. Go, John. John, nice back. Nice back. Up. Not up.
nice. Good movement. Good disc movement.
Yes, Sean. Close. Do you feel that? Yes. Sean, you're hot here. Luke, be ready.
DB ready.
Let's go, Adam.
End zone.
Where's the sideline? We need info.
Hey, Luke, you're going to cap that.
Sean, you're so hot here.
End zone, set it up.
On your honey.
End zone.
Zach,
Get
set
it
up the
done.
end zone. End
Get
zone on
it
Jamie.
End zone, Jamie. End zone, Jamie.
Come on, who's next?
Good one,
There you go. Adam, that's you. Drop Adam. You good.
Adam, you're up, drop. Someone else drop.
Sean,
He's good.
yes, Anna. You guys are in
Come on, get around. Nice, inside.
Good,
You're right.
nice.
Nice, Alex. Stay around. Stay with him, Alex. Tight, Alex. Tight, Alex. Stay with him, Alex.
Oh, nice shot!
Second time, man. Keep throwing her into the court.
It's me literally do that to her.
You got it, bro!
Great try, Anna! Great try, Anna!
You guys look hungry out
Just keep
there!
going.
Pass back, Don! Anna, you're doing great!
Is that what you just said?
Haley, you want to cut you?
4 feet outside of it.
Watch a break throw, watch a break throw.
Yes, let's go! Enzo! Enzo!
Chill!
Enzo!
7 versus 3.
Hey, who has a reset? Luke, are you on the reset? Or Jack, one of y'all should take reset. Red sleeves! Red sleeves! There's one right behind. Alex is behind! Alex! Behind!
Enzo!
Yeah, Jack.
Yeah!
Good call.
No, Enzo Jamie! Enzo Jamie! Call something!
Yeah, Wells.
That's 8. Maybe find out how to throw.
You got that big vein underneath there. It was like perfect head.
There's a lot of bobbles in it.
Let's go, Birds. Hey, on a great bid over there. Oh my gosh, I thought you were going to get it.
Here you go, Bird!
Flickering hole. Jumper! I feel like I'm a I think it's net point.
Oh, Mike.
Mike, it's a net point, right?
No. I help you at point.
Net point. Elijah, come on. Yeah, okay, fair enough.
Jesse's supposed to be on.
Jesse!
I was just saying, I was like, this is the line with 4 referees. They should all be on.
Let's go, Birds!
And there were
Stop the roll!
I guess for me, I would like the second ball for like a half second. And then it was the big one. Exactly.
Support! Where's their knees? Away!
Oh, I completely think that. Yeah, no, because I was studying No, that's fair.
See all that big hands, Andy. Yes. Make it difficult. Andy!
Up!
Here we go, Birds.
As many points in this game as we did yesterday. All our sanction points!
Yeah, Birds!
100% road, Birds.
Kylie!
Bro!
Justified. So good.
Limbo and Limbo's sister.
Let's go, Birds!
How you feeling? Let the roll go.
Or I guess Friday.
Neo, I love you, Neo. Because that's Justin.
Oh, Justin.
It's Justin!
I mean, actually.
Let's go!
Where were you? We were literally like, we hadn't even reached the break by this. At least we had like a car. That's what I'm saying. That was
Yeah, we were here.
and it was like, I had like Eska and Yusha. Yeah. Exactly. Actually, and then somebody else too, they all listened.
Let's go shredded. Oh, when you reached, I was like, oh, is that for you? And I was like, go for it. And then it started fading towards me, and I was like, that's for me.
I did. You noticed, like, the breeze hit my face. I was like, oh no, good not hit. Great job, Justin.
Let's go, Birds!
That was totally for you.
I like this D-line! I also figured my guy was like, so I could let Maddie get it and do it Get there. Come on, bro. Come on, dude.
No, I know.
Hey, sideline! Sideline! Sideline!
Get out of his way.
This is it! And it's close! Oh! Oh my God! Andrew Wells, I want you! That is up! Hey, no big, Luke, no big! No big, Wells!
Slip down.
Nice, Jamie, nice!
Oh my God! What? If that happens, I'm sorry, dude. So I'm gonna and then you like tip it up and it goes out. Not coming, Jamie. You're hot, Alex. You're hot, Alex. You're so hot, Alex. Go well. Alex, go! His hands.
There it is.
No bananas. Right there. Nice cut, Chloe. Nice cut, Chloe.
How's the wedding?
I'm talking fiercely back to the base finishes for me personally. I actually don't think
Adam Hunt!
That's okay. That's okay. Sorry.
I just got my we can stand up. But also, like, these are something cool.
Hey, you know this is SF, not SD, right?
Yeah. We made a wrong turn. Just 7 hours.
I have faster time than Andy. Santi. Hockey.
Hey, it's Doug. What are you doing here? Just Kylie. This is my girlfriend Kylie.
Hello, I'm Luke. Nice to meet you.
And you know, her folks live up here, and I thought this would be a good weekend to come up.
Yes, it's a game 13.
We're here.
Yeah,
Like we're here. Where in the Bay? Who's that now?
You're from. You were here for a while, right?
Yeah, I was born in SF. Did some years as a top player. Oh, Livermore.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing. Okay, one of my best friends in college.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. That looks really hot. Like,
No, it's actually windy. I don't know if you knew. Yeah, it's a little cold. Yeah, I'm sure you're not feeling
my
it.
throws have so much spin, it just doesn't affect it. You know?
No, of course. I was saying more you're running probably. So
Yeah,
much
but-
that
I think
you're
really
feeling
slowed
the
down.
heat. Yeah. You know, a guy like me, I'm just standing here.
A guy like yourself.
Let's see, huge hockey point. Huge hockey point.
Did a really nasty and hit her in the so it was a turn. It was sick as hell.
That's awesome.
It was so sick.
That's awesome. Yeah, true. I didn't think about that.
Let's go, take out. Work, Sean.
Joined this week as well.
Nice.
You know.
Hey, Santi, help.
Yeah, right! Let's use it!
Patty, no reset.
Oh! Andy. Great switch. Strike.
No break, Maddie. Jack looking.
Oh, I'm nice.
Right in the hole.
Good run.
Yeah, hey, great throw, Santi. Take this back, Andy. Andy, close.
Tight, Andy, it's you. I see Santi.
Come on, Maddie. Yeah, use your hot. Sean, you're hot. Sean, hot. Andy, hot. Andy. Santi, you're next. Andy. Yeah, stay close.
Yes!
End zone!
End zone!
Yo, follow the play, Bird. Follow the play. Let's go.
Yeah, Jack.
Timeout call. Water.
Yeah, in soft cap, you're in hard cap. Jake, or like cycling firms.
I think they're sitting. Oh, they were sitting over there. I'm pretty sure.
Did you have a sharp one?
Sonic on. Where's Sonic? What's Sonic's water look like?
I think black.
Pretty good.
I forgot.
She was actually. How you feeling, Paul?
Good. Good today. Today I'm also. I woke up this morning. I've never had allergies before, so I was like, my girlfriend gets allergies. Do I get it or something? So I got rash. Yeah, because it's literally from like your bottom on my feet. Probably had bed bugs or something. 6 hours. How far is it? It's like 10 minutes away. Well, I guess 10 minutes away. So like, but ironically. Oh, true. Yeah. 30 minutes total. Into that. Yeah, it's fun from living there. Stop by. Trying to get to them.
Did we get it?
Yeah, he scored.
But then quick spike defense.
I wish we would just hold it.
Yeah. I think it's a scale. So that's great. So I guess it could that's what soft if there is a tie game. I don't know the rules, guys. People don't watch that.
Hi, I was gonna come talk to you. What are you doing up here?
My girlfriend, her parents live here, so
Is this the girlfriend?
yeah, this is Kylie. Yeah. Dude, I came here and I'm like, hey, and then like everyone turns around and is like, hey, Limbo, and then Pocky's like, is Kylie here? Like, where's Kylie though?
Get out of the way. Nobody wants to go.
Yeah, I know, seriously. What happened with the cap? That's crazy.
Huh?
The cap? That was crazy. Time out in the hard cap.
No, it was soccer. It was game 15.
And then
So that was our 13th.
okay, nice. Okay, nice. Yeah, because we never showed up.